Today we're going to learn how to make creme brulee. Okay, so I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees. So now here you have to be very careful because a catastrophe can happen here. We want to slowly take our pan with the water and put it in here on the rack very slowly because we don't want the water to spill out, or we don't want the filling or the mixture to spill into the water. So be very, very careful, and then slowly slide it in. And there you have it. Close that up. Now we're going to let that bake for 40 minutes, and we'll see you then. Okay, our 40 minutes are up, and let's see what we have here. These turned out really good. I still have to be careful pulling them out because they're still a little jiggly and they could break apart. So let's take a look at these.